Hey everyone, welcome back to PZ Master. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Google Meet background not working issue. First, open your web browser. Click the three dots in the top right corner and open Settings. Next, go to the System section. Find the option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available and make sure it's enabled. After that, relaunch your browser. Now open Google Meet and join or start a meeting. Once you're inside the meeting, click the three dots menu. Open the visual effects or background options. If you have saved or custom effects, remove the existing effects and reset the background options. Then choose the background you want to use and apply it. Give Google Meet a moment to load the effect, especially if you're using a custom image or a blur effect. If the background still doesn't appear, make sure your camera is working correctly and that your browser is updated. You can also restart the browser and try again. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Google Meet background not working issue. Like and subscribe to PZ Master for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.